Hi, this is Melissa Dills with La Rosa Realty. Listen, I just got back from a pre-listing home inspection. So one of the things we do recommend when you're getting ready to put your house on the market is to have this pre-listing home inspection done. We have a great resource. We have several resources to have a home inspector come in and take a look of what's going on with the property. Things you can't see, air conditioning units, the roof. You want to make sure you have the time to take care of anything that might come up in a buyer's home inspection. It's a good idea to go through those and fix, repair, replace anything such as filters, outlets, a variety of roof shingles, possibly cleaning your vent ducts, putting in the screens on windows, things of that nature, and even more extensive other items that might cut holes in walls, bad carpet, and just get the house ready to get the highest dollar on an offer from a buyer. So again, ask your realtor. If you're looking for one, reach out to me. I'm going to give you a little brief picture of a home inspection that I had done this morning with Mike Collier, with Mike Collier Inspections. And also check your inspector and ask them if they give veteran and teacher discounts.